Hi, my name is Karen, and I'm going to walk through my WebQuest that I did. It's called How Much is 1,000? This is my introduction page, and this just kind of gets them interested in thinking about how much 1,000 really is. And we'll go towards the next page is the tasks. And this place I outlined pretty much what the general idea of what this web quest is supposed to do or what they're supposed to do in this web quest. They'll be split up into different groups with 4 people in each group. You can have more than 5 groups, and each group will get to pick what type of candy that they want to collect from. And this kind of just tells them a generalized idea of what they're going to do. The next page is roles. This page tells them about their different roles. Each person has to take on a role of either collector, mathematician, counter, or even analyst, and each of them have a specific role in the group, and they'll either help each other out at times or do their own thing when they do start to create their presentation. And as well, each group would have to collect 200 items, not relying on just one person to bring the 200, but everyone in the groups collaborates and helps each other out. And if you click on the pictures, it leads you to the resource page, and this gives them the resources of all the different websites of how to do their presentation when they're trying to find history on it, how things are made, what might be what statistics mean, and how to create graphs using transposing them onto the computers to be able to put onto a PowerPoint presentation. And with this part of the WebQuest, they would have to collaborate using a Google Doc. Since they are only in 2nd grade, they might not know exactly how to use too many internet sources, so it's just kind of easier to be able to collaborate all in one Google document that's linked to their email that they can email back and forth as well. And my next page is my process page. This tells the students actually step by step what they're supposed to do once they've collected their candies, once they collected their 200, what's the next step. And to be able to finish their goal is to present a PowerPoint together to the class. And how they're evaluated is on the next page. And it's based on their graphs that they made as well as their presentation, because it is a PowerPoint presentation where they will present to the class. I'm also grading them on that with the volume speaks clearly, the different types of graphs that they chose, and this is where students will go to see if they're on target or if they're not on target. And my conclusion page is really simple. They also, when they collect the candies, they also actually put them into a jar, and we would display them in the classroom in a little bookshelf. And at the very end, once everyone has presented their projects, they'll be able to share the candies with each other and just be able to eat it as well. And my last page is my teacher's page. My WebQuest is geared towards 2nd grade. And here are the math standards that I have, as well as my reflection of why I chose it, just to be able to get the students to be more hands-on with math rather than just seeing a number, like seeing 1,000, and they're like, okay, that's a lot. But that is my WebQuest.